Hello guys, so today I'm going to be folding this origami cat here. And guys, please check out my other video as well. And please consider subscribing, okay? So first, you need a square sheet of paper like this. And you want the color side on the back. So I'm going to flip this over right here. So now you're going to fold this whole thing in half. Like so. And I'm going to spin this around. So the longer edge is on top. That point is on the bottom, okay? And now you want to take this two corners right here on top and you want to fold it right down to this bottom corner right here, okay? So take that corner, that point, and fold it right over to that bottom point. Okay, same thing on the other side. So take this top point right here and fold it right down to the bottom. Okay, and now you want to take this point right here and fold it right up just a little bit like so. So this is going to be the ear, and you're going to kind of adjust it and fold that triangle in a slight angle like so, okay? Just a little bit of that triangle. So you should see that side corner right here and that top corner as well. Okay, same thing here. So you want to match this triangle with the triangle that is already done, the ears. Okay, so match it with this corner and you just have to eyeball it. Kind of do the same thing on the other side as well. Okay, and now you want to fold up this side triangle right here. So right around the ear. So right against, fold this triangle right against the ear. Okay. Same thing here. So fold this triangle right against the ear. And same thing on the top. You want to fold this triangle right up to this corner right here. Okay, same thing on the other side as well. Just like so. And make sure that point lines up with the center. It should be lined up with this bottom triangle. Okay. And now you want to flip it over to the front, and then you want to take this bottom triangle and fold it roughly around here. Okay, make sure you line it up to the center best you can, and fold that triangle down. And then you want to take that top point and fold it down like that to make the nose. Okay, and here is an origami cat. So yeah, thank you for watching and have a great day.